Hey everybody, welcome back to BBQ by Biggs. I'm Aaron, and today we're talking tenderloin. We're gonna show you how to take this and make this. Juicy, tender, melt in your mouth goodness. If you wanna see how we do this, come along with us. Stay tuned. So we really love cooking tenderloin. Truly, besides chicken, it's probably one of the healthiest meats for you. As they say about pork, it's the other white meat. And you know what? It doesn't take very long to make this. So you can make this any weekday. It doesn't take a whole lot of time. And I tell you what, it's definitely worth the effort. So we have our tenderloin here. Let me bring you down here and show you what we're gonna do with it. And usually these tenderloins come as packs of two. You'll look, they don't have a whole lot of trimming to do. But what I do is down here at the end, see how thin that is at the end? I'll take that and trim that off. And I'll use that as a chef's treat or something. Same thing on this end. We'll cut that off. Look for any kind of this stringy fat. We'll go ahead and get that taken off real easy. Most time you just pull on it and it comes right off. Go ahead and get that silver skin right off of there. And we'll come down here and get this one off as well. If you look, it has this silver skin here. We're gonna go ahead and cut that out. Stick your knife right underneath there and just kind of fillet it out of there. Same thing on the bottom, get that big old piece of hunk of fat off. And we're ready to cook. So we're gonna take our paper towels, we're gonna pat those dry. If you see how thin those are, they cook really fast. So we're gonna go low and slow at first at 225 degrees. We'll let it run at 225 degrees for about 30 minutes. Then we'll pop that temperature up to get them finished off. For the binder today, we're using that old W sauce. Pour that on, get that rubbed in. Go underneath it and get all the extra out. Get our smoking rack out to season them on. We'll start with the bottoms first. So we're gonna use our BBQ by Biggs Texas Trail Dust for one, and our BBQ by Biggs Honey Barbecue for the other one. So we'll just go on with that honey barbecue. Flip that over. Get that other side. Make sure we get those sides. Looks good. And we'll go with that Texas Trail Dust on the other one. It's a lot chunkier. Has a little bit more spice. Go with that on there. All right, we got them all seasoned up. We'll let them sit here, and as they sit here, they'll start to sweat. We'll let them sit here and sweat for about 10 or 15 minutes, then we'll get them on the smoker at 225 degrees. See you in a minute. So the meat is all sweated in, looking good. We got our smoker up to 225 degrees. Let's go ahead and get these things on. All right, we're rolling at 225 degrees. We're gonna cook these on the top rack. Gonna put them right in the middle. Make sure if you want to fluff them up, go ahead and do that, because how they lay is how they're going to stay and how they're going to look when they're done. So these were a little bit longer, so I plumped them up a little bit, make them cook a little bit even. We're going to take our temperature probe, we'll put that right in the middle. We're looking for about 130 degrees or 30 minutes. So we're going to run this at 30 minutes. If it hits 130 before 30 minutes, we're going to go ahead and bump that temperature up. We're going to take that temperature to 400 degrees to get these things finished off. Our target temperature for the inside of these is anywhere between 142 to 145 degrees. With carryover, that'll bring it up to that safe zone. So we'll bring you guys back when we're at that point. See you then. So after 30 minutes at 225 degrees, these pork tenderloins show to be at 111 degrees internal. Let's peek in there and see what they look like. All right, let's see what we're working with here. Oh yeah, they're looking good, drying out. Let me bring you in here and let you look at it. Oh yeah, they're looking good. You definitely can see that Texas Trail Dust on there. Got the honey barbecue in the back. It's looking good as well. So we're gonna go ahead and take that temperature, like we said, up to 400 degrees and get these things finished off. We're looking for an internal temperature around 142 to 145, and these things will be done. So let's bump it up. So just around the time that it was hitting 400 degrees, these tenderloins are at 140, 142 degrees. We're gonna get these pulled off, get them tinted in foil, let them rest, and then we'll bring you guys back for the taste test. All right, we'll bring you back in about 10 minutes. We'll cut these things open to see how they taste. See you in a minute. So in just under an hour, even with the rest, these things are done. Let's jump down here, cut them up, and let's get a taste test. All right, let's cut into this Texas trail dust first. So tender. Look at that. Look at that juice. No squeezing. So juicy. You just look at it, it's just running out. Go ahead and cut a piece of that one off. Bring that honey barbecue over now. Let's get a cut of that. See, it's got a pretty decent sized smoke ring. You just look at the stuff just running out of this thing. It's just running. So juicy. When you cook them to that 145, which is done for pork, and you creep up on that 145, meaning that you stop at about 142 or so and let it carry over under foil, it makes for some, just look at the sheen on that. Delicious. Let's get a taste of this. All right, first up, Texas trail dust. Look at that outside of that. It's so tender. May have outdone myself on this one. That was so good. Now the honey barbecue. Outside of that one. I tell you what, if you haven't tried it, you need to do it. We'll see you guys on the next cook. I'm gonna go devour this. See you next time.